how to update Venmo on Android and iPhone. First, you want to simply open your Play Store or Apple Store if you're using iPhone, and there you want to simply search for Venmo over here. If the application is available on your region or it is available for your device, you'd be able to see it over here. You can simply tap on that application, and if any kinds of update is available, you'd be able to see an option called update. You want to simply tap on that update option, and you want to simply wait for the installation process to finish. What you can also do is you'd be able to set up auto update over here as well. You can simply tap on this U option over here, tap on your profile over here. After that, you want to simply scroll down, and here you want to simply tap on manage apps and devices. That here you want to simply tap on update all option over here, and if any kinds of update is available for the applications, you'll be able to update it from here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.